Today we're going to learn how to use dictation in Microsoft Word. First thing we're going to do is go to our settings and under General, look for Keyboard and then scroll down to find Enable Dictation, which you'll see at the bottom right hand corner of my screen, and make sure that that function is turned on, and you'll know that because it is green. You should also note that I am using my local Wi-Fi because internet access is required in order to use dictation in Microsoft Word. I'm going to press my home button. I'm going to click on Microsoft Word. When Microsoft Word first opens up, what you see is the splash page, and it actually has a name. It's called the Backstage. I'm going to open a blank document, and you'll see that I have my onboard screen keyboard pop up. In the bottom row, I have a microphone. As soon as I click the microphone, Microsoft Word is going to record everything that I say.